Well, end of the day, and I got my door installed, so I'll come over here and show you my handiwork. There it is. Well, I couldn't figure out how to get the key out of the knob, so I'll have to take it to work and get the locksmith to show me how to do that. I did do the deadbolt. Anyway, wires, still got to do some wiring for the lights. So, well, it started raining today, so anyway, there it is. Cool. Man cave has a door. Well, I bought of course, bought the cheapest hardware, so doesn't work the best. Anyway, there it is. Day's work done.